Hi all, today we are here with Muhammad from Infinity Games. So we'll ask him to start by introducing yourself.
Yeah, my name is Muhammad. I'm from Infinity Games. I'm the CEO of the company. Infinity Games is a publisher and developer of mobile games related to puzzle and games that are very hyper casual in itself. We try to focus in brain training, but also at the same time trying to give a very relaxing experience. I have just a game here that I can show you. You just have to rotate the pieces, which gives you a very relaxing experience. And in the end, you make kind of a perfect and beautiful shape. The idea of this type of games is to provide an experience where you are in the airport or somewhere else and you just want to relax. You can at the same time improve your focus and train your brain and mainly relax.
It's cool. Okay, and how long are you working with the app industry?
Since 2016, we started with a game called Infinity Loop, and we have developed over maybe 14 or 15 games, and yeah, 2 years and a half. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what do you think there are the main challenges for developers nowadays?
Retention, user retention is quite important, because it's through the user retention and user retention in the game that you are going to achieve higher LTVs per user. And when your focus is increasing the revenue per user, having the highest retention in this industry ends up being a very important point in generating dramatic impacts by small improvements in retention or attention span from the user.
Okay, and where do you distribute your apps? So which channels do you use to distribute it?
Mainly Android, so Google Play, and iOS. We are also distributing it through Aptoid, and we have some other publishers all over the world for Chinese markets, and also for specific subscription-based models.
Okay, and what do you think that is the major difficulties while monetizing your app?
I would tell you that the biggest issue that we are facing is mainly on in-app revenue, because Google Play and Apple, they take you a big chunk of your revenue, and that becomes a big problem when you are trying to maximize the revenue per user. If Google is taking 30% or Apple is taking 30% of your revenue or more, it ends up having huge impacts on how you are going to monetize your games. And the thing is, if you want to provide a good user experience to the users, and we want to remove the amount of ads, we would have to increase the potential of in-app revenue. Yeah, that's the biggest challenge we have right now. If you can get lower fees on in-app revenue, that would be amazing.
Yeah, so that's how do you think? My next question was that. So what do you think Catappult can do for you guys?
Yeah, that's exactly what Catappult is for, is to challenge Google in reducing the fees they charge for each transaction, and Catappult is able to reduce it hugely through their channels, yeah, that's going to create a huge impact for any developer who is looking to increase their overall revenue per user, because if these big companies like Apple and Google don't take a huge chunk of the revenue, then the overall possibilities for user acquisition, for developers and for the player, it improves a lot on those aspects.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.